In this video, I'll be talking about I just received my two Hoovo 5200 milliamp 3S Lipo battery 80C, and it is a high discharge Lipo battery 5200 milliamp with ec5 connectors. Alrighty, folks, welcome back to my channel. This is Bucks RCs. I'm doing my video a little bit different today, so I hope y'all enjoy the video. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video, guys. Well, I just received my Hoovo 11.1 volt 80C 57.72 WH. It is a 5200 milliamp 3S Lipo battery, and it's a high discharge Lipo battery. I received two of them, and yes, I did get them that already has the ec5 connectors on the end. So there's the front view, there's the side, and here's the back. It says, please read all instructions and precautions before use. There's that. There's that side, top, that side. Then there's that. So yeah, I should get plenty of run time with a 5200 milliamp 3S Lipo battery, and then it's a 11.1 volt 80C. So I'm hoping that I'll get maybe, I don't know, 20, 30, 35 minutes maybe. I'm not sure. I thought I'd just hop on here for a minute to show you all what I received today. And here's the other one in the box, and it's the same as this one, so there's no use opening the other box when you can already see the battery right here. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Then right beside the subscribe button, there's that notification bell. Did you tap it? And tap it to all, so you don't miss out on any videos from me, and you will be the first to get notified to watch my videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon on the next one. Stay safe. Just get outside and rip something up today, no matter if it's bashing, rock crawling, or you play on your RC boats, airplanes, helicopters, or doing speed runs, or just whatever you're doing. just to get out there and do something. I hope the weather is fine wherever you're at. The weather down here is pretty good. I'm going to quit rambling now, and I'm going to get off here and upload this video on YouTube. So, later everybody.